Present indefinite tense expresses universal truth, any habit or any routine, any action which occurs regularly after a fixed period of time. Verb attaches with s or es if the subject is singular. Does is used to convert a sentence in negative or in interrogative if the subject is singular. Verb comes in first form if the subject is plural.
Do is used to convert a sentence in negative or in interrogative if the subject is plural.
There is no helping verb or auxiliary verb is used in the sentences of present indefinite tense. Do is used to convert any sentence in negative or interrogative where I is used as a subject.